Hello everybody, welcome to Wingit Plays Countery 2. As I start recording a bunch of like half series that I'm like, okay, let's play this for a bit. Like, yeah, I'll play this. But this should be pretty easy to work, because like, yeah, man, I'm kind of in the mood to platform. This is probably a bit more accurate, bit more applicable, applicable to the recording style we're doing right now than the other game I was gonna do. And I got one more game I want to do, but I think we're gonna do this one first all the way. I'm very excited to like get my full like recording setup done downstairs. I will say I'm in the process of like redoing the basement things, but I'm sure people don't care too much about that stuff right now. Bruh, bruh, bruh. Probably not gonna do like a proper speedrun. Yeah, I'm just kind of gonna just play video games for a bit. I'm not sure what people want to watch. I need to go up to like Slackers or Beastock and order that copy of Frogger for the PS1 because I really want to play that again. Oh, I didn't have it on the PS1, I had it on like the computer. But it's still the same game. Sorry, I picked a bad day to eat like chocolate and shit. It's also interesting because Evo's in like a couple months. So like I just have yet to record. Like not really. I don't know. I haven't been keeping up with SG as much as I used to. I'm playing a bunch of other things and doing a bunch of other things. Oh, I guess I could explain mechanics. It's very similar to DKC1 as they did earlier, except you play two characters now. And if you press A, you can do the team-up mechanic, which is brand new to Country 2. Which, like, it's okay, but it doesn't really get, like, expand... Oh, no, 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 we're not going in there. Expanded on till the next game, really? Not sure how long this series is gonna be. Like, I'm fine with skipping, like, a bunch of levels. I don't really care. Just because, like, it's like... I just want to do some more casual playthroughs, because, like, I feel like I need to do a bit more, like, much more well-researched video series, which I think I'm gonna start doing some work on that soon. But, I think I have a couple ideas, like, the series I want to do. Like, some of them are going to be streamed, some of them are just going to be recorded. But, of course, it's not going to be going up till after 1,000 Year Door, probably. Like, way after 1,000 Year Door, because I gotta do all the shit set up for that. I also need to go back to recording that, like, Shantae Marathon I've been meaning to do. I'm just kind of, like, rambling about random bullshit in my head. It's like I'm finally at work, and, like, okay, we're going to potentially not have late shifts all the time, so I might be able to record and stream more, which is very exciting, which is one of the reasons I'm redoing the basement a bit. And, I mean, also, it's just be nice to have a room. Like, the big thing, one thing I'm definitely doing is, like, putting USB cords on the ceiling so I can, like, use my fight stick that I've been trying to learn with. While I'm sitting on my couch, and for, like, commentary reasons, it'd be nice to have, like, mics hanging from the ceiling because they're a lot less messy, I would assume, from what I figure. We'll come back and do Swank it later, if we need to. I also want to play Mario Kart again. Like, there's just been a bunch of games I've been, like, I've just been too focused on, like, recording shit. It's like, I'm sure people would like to watch Mario Kart, hopefully. Because, like, I really like Mario Kart 8. Like, I kind of want to play Mario Kart 8. I'll record it and play that again, because I haven't played it. I was gonna wait for the next, like, season pass to happen, so it's like, yeah. Okay, it's on the list. But, I'm trying to think like the way I would record Mario Kart, and I think I have an idea of what I would do. I'll need like it depends on the groups of people I have with me. I will say the main version of DKC 2 I remember playing was Donkey Kong Land on like the Game Boy. Although I did just play a little bit of this with my friend on Discord, just for fun. I guess that's kind of why I'm in a DKC mood, just to... can I make it over there? Well, DK coin. Not, like I said, not going 100% because I frankly don't care. I just kind of want to play. I don't know why I'm running around a Dixie so much. I usually play Diddy for a while. It's not so bad for this first episode. Oh man, if you guys never get to see that episode, I'll debate if I want to upload it, because it wasn't really... Yeah, it was okay. It's like I just don't have the reason to upload it now, I kinda gotta wait, so I'm kinda recording things for after... 1,000-Year Door is over. And you know, for some, like this is gonna be like one of the mid-game things. That missed? Are you shitting me? Whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. There we go. Yo, Pikmin S server, the mod server, has got a new icon, that's great. Yo, this song is great. It's interesting that, like, the lava world's, like, the second world of this game, because, like, usually, like, lava worlds get, like, stuck at the end. Which, I mean, is fair, it makes sense. I didn't get my jump. I think I'll probably go for, like, 15, 30 minutes? I'll go for 20 minutes. We'll do 20-minute videos, I think. That sounds the best. 20 minutes or at least a world. Not at least a world. 20 minutes or at least, or depending on the stages. We'll see how I feel. All the death sounds in this series is so good. Rare is always great at making good sound effects. Oh yeah, scooter time. Did you get the fuck back here? Well, I guess it's no longer scooter time. Too early. I just hit a checkpoint, right? Too good for going to go too fast, too furious, too soon. Fine, I'll go slow. If I don't want to, I'll go a little slower. He says while immediately going fast. I know, I definitely, if I do get a copy of Frogger PS1, I'm definitely gonna play through that on the channel, because, like, that sounds fun to me. Bruh, 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 bruh. Death. Oh, really? No, I missed it. Oh well. Diddy Kong will be missed. Yeah, Dixie's hair twirl isn't as effective right now during like the cannons levels because she can't actually like twirl out of a jump out of like the spin. Oh, I should play Jungle Beat again now that I have like actual bongos. Like that, I'm just thinking of things I want to play again. Fucking, what was I gonna say? What have I been doing lately? I can't. Meaning to like sit down and watch TV. I just have yet to. That's another thing besides like redoing the basement. That's kind of been all I've been doing. Oh, you're fucking kidding me. So rugs for like 20 bucks at Walmart, which is cool. Like, ooh, we should get those. It might be next paycheck, but I'm also say I think I want to get my air purifier first. 'Cause, like, I don't know. I don't know if it's actually gonna do a whole lot of things. I think it will though, with like, considering how like inactive the basement has been with living in. Oh, really? It would probably help to have it. At least I think it would. Definitely playing this on the Joy-Cons is a fucking mistake. It does not feel good. But okay. I'm playing like some butt. I hate this. No, I will not slow down. You slow down. He says after stopping for just a minute. Donkey Kong Country games are fun when you go fast and never anytime else. Oh, really? Again? That's some bullshit. Bum, bum, bum. Oh yeah, this stage. This is like a cool gimmicky stage because of how the water works. Sorry about that. Whoop, 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 whoop. Pardon me, excuse me, ow. Checkpoint. I feel like I've done most of the DKC series. I definitely want to try out Jungle Climber again, like the DS one as well. Like King of Swing and Jungle Climber, because I haven't played those games in forever. I don't remember if they're actually any good or not. I remember like the DS one being pretty okay. Then again, it doesn't help when I have nothing to fucking talk about for recording because I can't do anything because of work all the time. It fucking sucks. I hate to... I don't want to just sit here and complain about my job though, because people might listen who work at my job. don't know. It just sucks not having any time to do anything now, which just makes me very sad. Well, I'm going to IHOP later tonight for dinner. Alright then. We still got time. Let's just finish up this world. I did go to the casino for last week for my birthday because of, hey, it was fun. And just family wanted to go because I took Mother to the casino for her birthday, so she figured she'd do the same for me. Which is fine. No, Diddy! Is that just today's episode, just Diddy fucking dies up at the level? This is my favorite image of DKC2 coming up in a second. It's just this. 2 monkeys on a rhinoceros floating over lava using a bubble, using a balloon. I need to go back to playing more Yakuza, because that game's been very fun. Yakuza Like a Dragon. But then again, Xbox is downstairs because I'm still in the process of moving. There hasn't been a lot to talk about. Nothing to fucking do right now. Currently at the time of recording this, Mega Million's up to like a crazy amount of money. Which is ridiculous. Like, I think, is $1 billion the highest the lottery's ever been? I really hope not one person doesn't just win it all. I hope it gets split between a couple people, because, like, man... This is getting ridiculous. So it makes me very scared for how Friday's gonna be at work. Because our gas is the cheapest in the area. Everyone's getting paid. Rail to the right, you little motherfucker. Oh no. Yeah, everyone's getting paid, so they're gonna be getting in gas and getting their lottery tickets because of how high it is. Thankfully I won't be alone for that day. Oh no. I made the same exact damn mistake. I am the best around. Ain't nothing gonna get me down. Like, I want to play more Pikmin, but considering Pikmin 251's going up during probably the time this is still getting uploaded, it's gonna be interesting. I have vague memories of this game as a kid, playing with people, with my family, never really with friends. Never friends that really wanted to play this. I don't know why. Then again, a lot of my friends weren't into, like, platformers. Or my grandma. Oh, my aunt. That was aunt. Like in English, I really should not fuck that up. My aunt played this game a ton. I saw the new Thor: Love and Thunder. That was really good. Really liked it. Like, then again, I like a lot of the Marvel movies. I know a lot of people don't. Some people really don't. I was like, they're fun. Like, that's why I like the movies. They're pretty fun. Like, I'm not there for, like, a super advanced, like, a super good, like, plot. I'm just there to, like, just watch people punch things. Sometimes you need that primal joy, just watch people punch things. Listen to the inner monkey in your brain, the lizard part of your brain. As my friend describes it. Oh, no. Yeah, it does definitely throw me off with, like, the monkeys jumping whenever they get hit. The second monkey. I guess the idea is, like, they get scared or something, which, I mean, it definitely is cool, because you do, like, some damage boosting tricks. I knew it was supposed to be, like, a lava pillar in the background. I just always, like, saw it as, like, a lava, like, banana. Am I the monkey? Am I monkey? Maybe. I might be the monkey. You know, we'll do this. We'll just do this next episode. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next episode of DKC2.